Hello everyone. On behalf of Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology under Ministry of Food Processing Industries, I welcome you all for the video demonstration session of custard apple kulfi under the capacity building component of PM-FME scheme. Custard apple is a common name for a fruit, and the tree which bears it is Annona reticulata. The fruits vary in shape: heart-shaped, spherical, oblong or irregular. The size ranges from 7 to 12 centimeters. When ripe, the fruit is brown or yellowish with red highlights and a varying degree of reticulation depending again on the variety. While custard apple is better served raw and fresh, it can be used as seasonings or dressings. Maharashtra leads the country in custard apple production with 92,320 tons, followed by Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Nutritional value of custard apple. Custard apples are a well-balanced food. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, a good source of dietary fiber, a useful source of vitamin B6, magnesium and potassium, and with some B2 and complex carbohydrates. Equipments and machines. Most of the kulfi machines range from 42,000 to 2,25,000 per piece. Price of kulfi machine depends on capacity, machine body, material, etc. Addition to this, equipment such as fruit washer, dryer or oven, pulper machine, freezer or chiller, blenders are used in process of kulfi. Process. When selecting a custard apple, look for an evenly colored apple which yields slightly when pressed. The ridges of the fruit may be slightly tinged with brown, but the fruit should not appear black, moist or pulpy. Fruits are washed in the fruit washer at the beginning of the process. Washing process is important as it helps to remove traces of pesticides and dust from the fruit surface. Further, fruits are subjected to drying in an oven at around 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Drying fruits in an oven ensures uniform distribution of heat. Pulper unit of machine contains a special sieve and pulping shaft with beaters. The sieve is made with special design to maintain the shape of the pulp which is present in the seed. These machines are specially designed to cut and extract pulp from custard apples. Once the pulp is ready, start heating milk and add 1/4 quantity of condensed milk to it. Allow this mixture to boil for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep stirring the mixture throughout the heating process and allow the mixture to simmer until it thickens. Add corn flour to the boiling mixture. Stir the mixture well after adding the corn flour to avoid formation of any lumps in the mixture. Turn off the heat and allow the mixture to cool down at room temperature. Immediate cooling, that is, in chilling units or in refrigerator, should be avoided. Once the mixture reaches to the room temperature, mix the puree well in the milk to ensure even distribution of the puree in the mixture. Flavor enhancing ingredients such as roughly chopped almonds, pistachio, cashew nuts, rose petals, green cardamom powder could be added to enhance the taste of the kulfi. Pour this thick, flavorful liquid into molds, cups, freezer-friendly containers, or in parchment-lined loaf pan. Freeze for 4 to 6 hours or in a chilling unit at minus 15 degrees Celsius to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Packaging and storage. A kulfi is packaged in a liner-less bleached sulfate board carton for protection from moisture and oxygen. Traditional kulfi is packed in plastic disposable containers . Till now, we have seen the demonstration of custard apple kulfi processing in PM FME scheme under Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. The Ministry of Food Processing Industries, in partnership with the state, UT's governments, has launched an All India centrally sponsored Prime Minister Formalization of Micro Food Processing Enterprises scheme for providing financial, technical and business support for upgradation of existing micro food processing enterprises. For more details, please visit our web links given here.